A quick tutorial of how to use the flat sheet, which is this plastic sheet that has the cutout in the middle of it. For the flat sheet, I would recommend using the CamScanner application. Normally I recommend Adobe Scan, but the flat sheet works better. It kind of tricks the Adobe Scan edge recognition, and so CamScanner is easier to adjust if it does trick it. So you've got a letter like this that's folded. It was folded up in an envelope, and the advantage of a flatbed scanner is the flatbed actually holds it flat, but you can still scan with your smartphone if you put this flat sheet down and give it a press, and then hit the scan button. And if it does make a mistake with the edge detection, you can just use your finger to pull that back down, and then you're good to go. Now the reason why that cutout is in the middle is because if you don't have that, the camera flash will leave glare and it will make a big white spot. So I'll try to show you what I mean. If I go with the cutout not in the middle, so if I just didn't have a cutout, see that big flash in the middle will totally ruin your image. So this isn't perfect, but it is helpful if you have an important letter or a receipt that you want to scan and you just need a record of it. It's not a perfect copy because of that box in the middle, but at least you can still scan it with your smartphone.